So I wasn't going to do a La Ceiba to Leon video, but well, because it was supposed to be quite simple. We got the boat from Utilla to La Ceiba and then supposed to be just getting a shuttle straight to Leon in Nicaragua. But the moment we got to La Ceiba, the guy that's supposed to be doing the shuttle met us and said all of the bridges are closed from La Ceiba. So we jumped into some taxis and now we're just randomly walking across this bridge. Sort of hoping that our shuttle is going to be on the other side, but who knows. I'm quite hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
It's absolutely stunning though, look at that. Yeah. Travelling now. Backpackers, sort of. So yeah. And then it's sort of like 14 hours or something in the shuttle, if we ever catch it.
Mai prendo che mai messicano.
Okay. Back into taxis. So apparently what's happening is the government are trying to raise the taxes by 100%. So all of the locals have gone on strike and they're doing that by blocking off the bridges in the area so that traffic can't move. Fair play.
Sigo yo.
It turns out the first bridge wasn't even the main bridge, and so we're just coming up to the main bridge now, so we've got to go over that by foot as well, and then hopefully the shuttle's on the other side.
Todos los abrazos del mundo me da, mi alma se desborda de emoción. Nunca antes había sentido así. Espero que ella sienta lo mismo que yo.
So this is the main bridge, I guess.
Yo vengo.
just arrived in Leon, Nicaragua. It's midnight, so I'm probably just going to tell you all about it tomorrow morning. We're just going to go and find some food and then get some sleep. See you in the morning. I'm at Masaya volcano in Nicaragua, which is a future video, but I'm going to use my chance now as we're walking down to the opening of the volcano to finish off the video for Honduras to Nicaragua. So I just wanted to tie a few loose ends, which were just a little bit of information really. So we went from Utilla by shuttle to Nicaragua, but it wasn't as easy as that because there were lots of roadblocks where people were protesting against a tax hike by the government. Nicaragua is super strict on not allowing any drones into the country because they consider it spy equipment. So if you've got a drone with you and you're travelling by land, you've got a few options. Either don't bring it with you, leave it, or you can declare it at the border and see what happens, but I'm not sure what will happen. You can try and hide it and hope you get through without it being noticed, but you have to get through the bag scanners that they've got, figure out your own way of getting past that, or you can let your driver know that you've got a drone and they'll figure out a bit of under the table negotiations with the border control to let you keep hold of your drone. It's up to you which one you go for. It's $16 to actually get into the country, and that needs to be paid in US dollars. There's a guy at the border that can change whatever money you have into dollars for you if you want, or you can think a little bit ahead and take it with you. The border takes a super long time to get through because of all the checks that they need to do with your passports, but you sort of don't have to be there for it, so you can just wait outside whilst your driver handles all of the passport stuff, but expect to be there for a couple of hours if anything goes wrong with anyone's visa or anything. What else did I have to say about that? No, I think that's about it. It took 17 hours in the end to get there, which was a long old trip, but it should be quicker for you so long as there's no protest. So good luck.
Liverpool rules.
The active volcano.
Brilliant.
Right? Volcano bandito.
In other words, you choose your own destiny.